Hello everyone, welcome back to One-Footed Phoenix today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a few products that I use to help my phantom pain. Phantom pain is not very fun. If you want to know what phantom pain really feels like, click the eye up here. None of the products in this video today are going to be sponsored. They're just products that I like and I use to help my phantom pain. So first up I have the pain cream. Now this is a prescription pain cream that is a compounded pain cream. It's not covered by my insurance, but it's one of the things that definitely helps the most. Now the second thing that is actually helpful, I heard about this from another amputee, but this is a TENS unit, and I stick this right on my nubbin where the lidocaine patches go, and I'll show you in just a minute where those go. But I put this on for about 20 minutes and give or take, especially at night, it seems to really help because it helps to interrupt those pain signals from the leg to the brain. Now, this is a non-prescription that you can get at any drugstore. It's called Theraworks, and I really like this because it helps with the pain and also helps with the inflammatory stuff. This one is the joint discomfort and inflammation one. This is the one that I like the most, so if you want to try it out, give it a go. This is also prescription, but I like the lidocaine patches. They are 5% lidocaine patches. These are the big ones, and I just cut them in half and stick them on my leg. I'll show you where. With my cool zipper pants. So I stick one on the side right here, up above my nerve, and then the other one goes on the other side. And these you can wear for up to 12 hours, and they're really great for during the day. Now then, something else that helps my phantom pain is my coping skills box. If you want to see what's inside the coping skills box, click the eye up here to watch the coping skills box video.
The ice machine helps phantom pain a little bit. So I put the ice on my nubbin.
Now, last but not least, there is one more thing that I learned from another amputee that can help phantom pain, and that is to tap on the leg, on the opposite leg where it hurts. So I would tap here for me, but it usually helps those episodes be a little bit less intense. I just tap, 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 tap. Hopefully one of these tips and tricks will help you with your phantom pain if you have phantom pain, or it can help you with just like any sort of pain that you have. If you want to know what phantom pain feels like, click the eye up here. If you would like to subscribe, click the Phoenix button. If you would like to see the video that YouTube recommends for you, click over here. I hope to see you next week. Thank you!